I'm going to share with you today a delightful but addictive quilt idea shared with or designed by my lovely quilt friend Janet, and she has shared it with my quilt group, and I'm now going to share it with you. It is based on a simple pinwheel, and I'm going to show you some examples, and then we're going to just go through how to make simple pinwheel in a big size. It is fat quarter friendly, but it's also scrap friendly. This is from my purple stash. My purple stash doesn't seem to reduce by much, but a little bit with this one. On one of my quilts that I turned these into flying geese, so they can come as a design along the top. My friend Leslie had these ones going down the side of her quilt. I've done this. You could have flying geese this way. You could have chevrons. You've got some options. It depends really how your fabrics are, the fabrics you've chosen, and kind of how they talk to you.